Okay, to program in Python on the computer, if we just go to the search bar at the bottom in the system tray and type idle, it'll come up with idle 3 point something, so select that, it'll bring up an interface, but we want to be able to write a program, so we have to go File, New File, and the first thing we should do is save this, so we need to go File, Save. Now what you need to do is find your area, so you can go to Documents, but we don't always know where that is, so if we make sure that we open this PC, so you might find that this PC is closed, you just click the little arrow next to it, look down for your OneDrive, which should be O, but it might not be, but it'll say My OneDrive. Select that, create a new folder for your computer science work. Okay, and make sure you store all your computer science in this folder, and then come up with a name for your Python project. So I'm just going to call it My Code, and then save it. So all you've got to do is type your code, in Python, it colours it, and then when you want to come to run it, all you've got to do is go to Run menu, say Run Module. You can press F5 as well. It'll always ask you to save it, so just save it, and then you'll get your results, and the window will appear for you to do the interactive elements. Okay, that's as hard as it is.